Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, Natural Nekeesha. Today I'll be making cucumber apple ginger juice. So if it is something that you would like to see, please continue watching this video. So the first thing that we want to do is to make sure that our cucumber and the apples are washed properly. So that's what we're going to do first. I'm not sure if I'm going to use all of this cucumber, guys. I might use a half. All right. And I'm not going to peel it, guys. I'm just going to cut as it is. All right. Okay, so now I'm going to be adding the cucumber to the blender. And this, guys, is a very refreshing drink. You can have it any time of day. All right, so now that we have finished with the cucumber, I'm going to go ahead now with the apples. So for the apples, guys, I am thinking of peeling the apples. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to peel the apples. So I'm just going to use one apple. Next, I'm going to be using some ginger. And I'm going to be peeling the ginger. And you're going to use the amount of ginger based on how you like your juice. So now I'm going to be adding the ginger. Okay. And I'm going to be using that amount. So next I'm going to be adding some water. Maybe about a cup of water or so. Now I am ready to blend. And for a little extra sweet taste, guys, you can go ahead and add some honey. All right. So we're just gonna add a little honey. Okay, so maybe that will do. Let's get this on again and let us blend again. So there it is, guys. Cucumber apple ginger juice. Tastes so good and refreshing. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. See you in my next video.